So you want to install BlueStacks on your PC. Just follow my step to get started. Click on the first link that appears. Now you can see the BlueStacks 5 and BlueStacks 4. If you have low-end device, download the BlueStack 4. If you have decent device, download BlueStack 5. After download, double click on the setup. Now you can change the location where you want to install this setup. After that, click on Install Now. It will take few minutes to install. After complete installation, the icon will be appear on your desktop. Just double click on the BlueStack 5 icon and now you can easily search and install apps.